Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete files on your GitHub repository. To do that, you want to click on repository, and here you will be able to find your files under the code section. To delete any file, simply click on the file. Then on the upper right hand side of each file, you will find three dots. It says more option. Click on that. And from here, you want to click on delete file. And all you have to do is simply click to commit changes. Then from here, you want to go ahead and click on commit again. And that's how you delete files on your GitHub repository. Now, if you look here under my codes again, you can see what was done. If you click on this, you will see that it's deleted. Or if you simply go back and click on the commit history, you can see what was done. The file was there. You can see what was done, and you can see that it says delete, and it's all verified. That's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.